Subtraction time! Let's solve this equation using blocks. Here are 21 blocks. Let's count to take away 4. 21, 20, 19, 18, 17! Oh, there are 17 blocks left! Now let's solve it another way, by subtracting from top to bottom. First, we subtract the ones place from the top here to the bottom here. But we can't take away 4 from 1 because 4 is bigger than 1! That means we should borrow a 10 from the tens place and bring it to the ones place. Now we use the new number to subtract. 11 minus 4 equals 7. 1 minus 0 equals 1. 21 minus 4 equals 17.